Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello, and welcome to At Home with Lisa Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are bringing you the second portion of Living the Outdoor Life. If you guys remember, there's 3 parts to the collaboration of Living the Outdoor Life, and this is the second portion of it. This is an open collaboration that is hosted by Design with Emma, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa Lisa, which is myself, Joyful Decor by Denise, Deborah Cabasa, Home Living, and Angie Fortson. If you would like to participate, make sure you hashtag Living Outdoors 24 and we will receive your video and add it to the playlist. So you guys, as I did my first outdoor living video, I showed where we added flooring in here. So now I'm going to show you as we put the furniture back in. I'm trying to place it wherever I want it, and then we're going to be putting everything in, trying to set it up and decorate it as well too. If this is your first time here, we welcome you with open arms. If you're returning, welcome back. We so appreciate you. And we also want to welcome all of our new love bugs to At Home with Lisa Lisa. We thank you all and we appreciate your continued support. So I'm just going to play some music so you guys can listen, sit back, relax, grab your drink, grab you a snack, and watch as we create this beautiful outdoor living in our patio. are ready for the full reveal. I hope you all have enjoyed as I put together our patio. Life is better on the patio. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope you like this video as I love creating it for you. Please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some comments down below.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.